Okay, July 22nd, 2023. We're just outside of Port McNeill. It's about, I believe, close to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Trying to get out here before it gets too windy. Apparently it blows up around 3 o'clock. Then, haven't fished here before, but apparently it's a fair amount of fish out here. They actually fish off the beach, but we'll try and see if we can catch something. Anyway, thanks. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Shit. He's on. Fish on. Fish on. Stay on, baby. Oh, that's a good fighter, this one. Oh yeah, he's at the surface already. What do we have here? Let's have a look and see, shall we? Doesn't take long. It's on that, you don't like that. Right on my camera lens too, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Holy shit. I think I lost my weight. Nope. Yeah, I did lose my weight. What we got here? That'll be cool to see on the camera. Let's see if we see it. All right, nice. Come out of the sun. Nice, all right. Okay, that's that one done. Okay, try it again. That's a black. It's some sort. Not a bad size. I mean, it's probably keeper size. Nice looking fish. Beautiful colors. Good colors on that thing. Beautiful colored fish. But I think we'll let him go. He's gone. That's fun. Let's see if we can get another one.